Money is a powerful tool that can help open doors and change lives. However, managing money can be a daunting task, especially for teenagers and students who are just starting out in life. In this documentary, we'll explore budgeting tips for teenagers and students that can help them avoid student loans and build a solid financial foundation for their future. The first step in creating a successful budget is to set financial goals. This could be anything from saving up for a new laptop or car to setting aside money for college or travel. By having a clear goal in mind, teenagers and students can create a budget that is tailored to their specific needs and priorities. The next step in budgeting is to track expenses. By keeping track of every dollar spent, it becomes easier to identify areas where money can be saved. This can be done through apps, spreadsheets, or even just a simple pen and paper. Once expenses have been tracked, it's time to create a budget. A budget should be based on income and should prioritize essential expenses such as rent, food, and utilities. By allocating a set amount of money for each category, students can ensure that they don't overspend in any one area. One of the biggest financial pitfalls for students is the accumulation of debt, particularly student loans. By following a budget, students can avoid taking on unnecessary debt and minimizing the amount of student loans that they need to take out. This can make a big difference in the long run, as student loans can take years or even decades to pay off. Another thing that teenagers and students can do is increase their income through a variety of means, such as part-time jobs, freelancing, or even selling items online. By increasing their income, students can build up their savings and reduce the need for student loans or other forms of debt. One of the most important steps in budgeting is to evaluate your current spending habits. Take a look at your bank statements and receipts and try to identify areas where you might be overspending. Are you eating out too often? Do you really need that streaming subscription? By cutting back on non-essential expenses, you can free up more money for things that really matter. Once you have a clear idea of where your money is going, it's time to prioritize your savings goals. Maybe you want to save up for a study abroad program or a new laptop for school. Whatever it is, make sure to set aside a portion of your income each month toward that goal. This will help you stay on track and avoid overspending. One of the biggest expenses for students is housing. If you're struggling to make ends meet, consider alternative housing options, such as sharing a room with a friend or renting a room in someone's house. Not only can this save you money on rent, but it can also provide a sense of community and support during the college years. As a student, there are many free resources available to you that can help you save money. From textbooks to software, take advantage of anything that is offered for free or at a reduced price. This can add up to significant savings over time. Eating out can be a major drain on your budget, especially if you're doing it multiple times a week. So why don't you cook by yourself? By learning to cook simple meals at home, you can save a lot of money on food expenses. Plus, cooking can be a fun and creative way to de-stress and unwind after a long day of classes. Last but not least, stop partying. Teenagers' life is all about studies and partying, but you should exclude the partying section. I'm not saying that just stop going into gatherings and festivals, just don't make it often. Yes, go out with your friends sometimes, but do not spend huge sums of money. Save it for future spending. Invest the saved money in the future, and then you can party for the rest of your life without any problems. So save it, invest it, and spend it. In conclusion, budgeting is an essential skill for teenagers and students. By evaluating your spending habits, prioritizing your saving goals, considering alternative housing options, utilizing free resources, and learning to cook, you can create a budget that works for you and avoid the burden of student loans. Whether you're trying to save up for a dream vacation or just trying to make ends meet, budgeting can help you achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video. If you have made it through till the end, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on any of the latest amazing videos regarding finance and crypto. I'll see you all in the next one.